Tingnan natin
Council
katotohanan sa
Mueller
USA.
continues his probe into Russian meddling into the 2016 election. We take a look back at Washington's record of meddling in elections across the globe. By one count, the United States has interfered in more than 80 foreign elections between 1946 and 2000. And that doesn't count U.S.-backed coups and invasions. Former CIA Director James Woolsey recently joked about the U.S. record of meddling overseas during an interview with Laura Ingraham on Fox News.
Have we ever tried to meddle in other countries' elections?
Oh, probably, but it was for the good of the system in order to avoid communists from taking over. For example, in Europe, in 47, 48, 49, the Greeks and the Italians,
We don't do that
CIA.
now, though. We don't mess around other people's
Well,
elections, Jim.
only for a very good
Can you
cause.
do the Vine video on this former CIA
Only for a very good cause in
Okay.
the interests of democracy.
I think.
The list of countries where the U.S. has interfered is long. In 1893, the U.S. helped overthrow the Kingdom of Hawaii. 5 years later, in 1898, the U.S. invaded and occupied Cuba and Puerto Rico. A year later, it was the Philippines. Early 20th century interventions included Nicaragua, Haiti, the Dominican Republic, all in the 1910s.
In 1953, the U.S. helped overthrow the Iranian government. A year later, in 1954, the U.S.-backed coup in Guatemala, overthrowing the democratically elected leader of Guatemala, Jacobo Arbenz. Then in the 60s, the list grew to include, once again, the Dominican Republic, Indonesia, and the Congo. And that's just a partial list. Even with the end of the Cold War, U.S. interference overseas did not end. Next week marks the 15th anniversary of the U.S. invasion of Iraq to topple the government of Saddam Hussein. We now go to Stephen Kinzer, former New York Times foreign correspondent, who writes about world affairs for the Boston Globe. He's
Kaya
the
pala hindi
author of
gusto
a
ng
number of
Indonesia
books,
ang
including
USA.
Overthrow, America's Century of Regime Change
Tingin nyo
from
guys, may
Hawaii to
kinalaman
Iraq.
mismo ang USA
All
sa
the show's
kaguluhan
men,
dyan sa
an
Davao
American
City?
coup, and the roots of
Yung nangyari
rigorous
ngayon
terror.
sa
He's
kila
written a book
Kibuloy na
later forward
simbahan
about the coup in
at
Guatemala.
yung